Hello there. Welcome to uDemand. Let's talk about uDemand before we get started with the video. uDemand is a real-time, integrated software training platform that helps users acquire marketable skills in order to succeed in today's global economy. In today's session, we will discuss about hire process. When an employer hires a new employee, they must document the hire, place the new hire in a specific position, and establish the parameters of the role, including the work schedule and salary. Either a current pre-hire or a new one can be utilized during the recruiting process. In either case, you can keep track of where you heard about the open position. The following details are necessary to execute an employment hire. Hire date, job description, role duration, full-time or part-time, position, location of employees. It's possible that the area and job profile you choose may automatically fill in some additional data, such as service dates and other characteristics. The following information can be entered manually as well. Career title, from job profile, work schedule, from job profile, name of corporation, from job profile, launching a new job, from hire date, standard work week hours, from location, time and place of first scheduled work after employment date, continuous service date, date of termination, rank in management, from job profile, benefits, timing of service, job categorization, from job profile, types of company insiders, based on the characteristics of the company where the employee now works. What is worker documentation? A worker's I-9 verification, resume, application for employment, or offer letter are all examples of documents that may be included into the hiring and other business procedures. The Maintain Worker Documents job allows for the addition, evaluation, and management of documents at a later date. We conclude the session by looking into former worker and probation periods. Former worker is defined as the information on employees who were let go before you implemented Workday can be kept in the system. Then, you can utilize this group of former employees as a resource for finding new personnel and populating their profiles. You can re-employ past workers by completing either the contract contingent worker or hire employee actions. When a user with the necessary rights selects a previous employee during the contract or hire procedures, a new employee record is created in the original hire date field as populated with information from the previous employee record. Probation periods, as worker compliance with local legislation and norms may be ensured via the use of tailored probationary periods. If you feel the need to set up or prolong a probationary term, consider doing so because appointees brand new to the team, personnel promotions, people who have been transferred to other departments, staff members participating in a program to raise performance standards to enable reporting on the probation periods you define. Go to the Maintain Employee Probation Period Kinds task and set up probation period types and probation period causes. Probationary periods for new recruits can be automatically included in the hire business process for maximum efficiency. Eligibility guidelines for the probationary period specify which of the probationary period's conditions may be enforced. When adding or editing a probationary employee in Workday, the length of their probationary term will be automatically populated based on the rules you establish. The results of a probationary period may be assessed with the help of the Review Probation Period business procedure. Managers can determine the result of an employee review period by filling out a questionnaire and using that information to initiate further action. A failed trial period could lead to the dismissal of an employee or a transfer to a new position. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel uDemand so that you may be alerted of future videos.